Hello to my second grade class. Hey guys, good morning and happy Friday. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020, 5:15:20. All right guys, you should have one more prompt on this sheet and then you will be finished. You will be finished with your May writing prompts. All right, all of this should be colored by the end of this week. All right, because there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you'll have one left over, but you should have 8. I think that's right. You should have had from last week and this week, so that's 8. So you'll have one left over. I think I gave you an extra choice, so you could always have a choice between more than one. All right, so get your journal out and write your first, next, then, and last, and use neat handwriting and complete sentences and squeeze in some adjectives, okay? All right, if you are in my math class, you are going to be doing the Let's Tell Time Solve It strip. All right? It's our last Solve It strip. We won't be doing Solve It strips next week. The final Solve It strip. All right? And you will be doing the homework for adding a 2-digit number. So that's 181 and 182. 181 and 182. There's a couple of word problems on the back. So remember, when you are adding, you always have your 1s and your 10s, all right? So let's do this one together. I'm just gonna go over this, but I want you to watch the videos again that I've put on there because I think that they're really nice and describe and illustrate what you guys should be doing. All right, so we're gonna always start with the 1s column when we're adding. So 7 plus 8 is 15. All right, guys, do we just write a 15 in that column? We do not. If it has 2 digits, if you've added the 1s column and it has 2 digits, you are going to leave the number that's in the 1s column, which is the 5, and you are going to take the number that's in the 10s column of 15, and you're going to move it all the way over here into the 10s, and you're going to erase that. Okay? So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So your sum is 45. All right, so let's do that one more time. 7 plus 8 is 15. You can't have 2 digits in the 1s column. You keep the number that's in the 1s column, which is the 5, and you take the number that's in the 10s column and you move it around and bring it up to the 10s. Then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. Okay? All right, so hopefully that is making sense to you guys, and I want you to go ahead and watch the videos. Should we do another one? Here, let me erase these numbers. And let's do a different. Okay. All right, here we go. 19 and 23. Okay, we ready? 19 plus 23. 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Oh, it's 2 numbers. So you need to leave the 2 because it's in the ones column. If you're looking at the number 12, it's in the ones column. And you're going to take the 1 and you're going to move it all the way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 42. What if, let's do an even bigger number. What if it was, let's see, let's do 9. Okay, so 9 plus 9 is 18. So what number is still in the ones with 18? Which number is in the ones place? Yep, 8. You're going to take this 1 and you're going to move it all the way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. All right, you guys got that? All right, so you're going to have your homework. You're going to have more practice. So this will give you some time to practice some more, and then you're going to turn around and do the back and the word problems. All right. All right, for spelling, you're going to do your spelling test today, guys. This is your last spelling test of 2nd grade. Last one, no more spelling tests. You guys are done. You've learned a lot of words, too, this year. A lot of words. All right, so spelling test. If you want to use your flashcards to study before you take your spelling test, please do that. And then for your word work today, you're actually going to use your spelling words, so you could do your word work before your spelling test. And you're going to make up a super sweet story. Use as many of your spelling words as you can. All right? So here are your spelling words. And you're going to make up a story. You know, when you're making up a story, you can use the same sentence starters and transitions that you use when you're writing in your journal for creative writing. First, next, then, and last. And that really kind of defines and helps you organize what you're writing about. All right? So you can try that. Can use that here, but you need to make sure that your sentence flows and that it makes sense after you read it. All right? So after you write, I want you to read back through it and ask yourself, does this make sense? And then if there's some parts that you need to change a little bit so it makes sense, then you just go back in and you change it. All right, so super sweet story. That is your word work for the day. And then you're going to be doing science. So you may have started this yesterday. It is life cycle of a flowering plant. All right. There was a video in science under the science heading yesterday in the subject on the PDF. And that was a video about the life cycle of a flowering plant. So you were to watch that video first, read what's in here, and then answer the questions based on the information that you learned in the video and the information that you learned in the booklet. I'm also going to put up another one today so you guys can watch another video about the life cycle of a flowering plant, and that can help you finish the booklet and add to the information that's already in here. All right, so make sure you're watching those videos that I'm putting up in the PDF. All right, guys, that is it for your work today. If you would like to share a pet, please sign up. Have an adult sign you up on the Sign Up Genius, or just bring your pet to our community Zoom, and I'll see you guys at 1:30. All right, guys, happy Friday. Have a good one. If I don't see you on Zoom, have a great weekend, and I will be talking to you guys Monday. All right, bye-bye.